Hi, I'm Chad. In our last episode, we found and fixed a broken ColecoVision. I bought this 192-in-1 cartridge on eBay from retroelectronic.com. It came with everything I needed to build, so I'm going to put it together and play some games. Changing through the 192 games requires searching through the manual and flipping dip switches off and on across the positions to match the manual. Here I'm setting up Spy Hunter. This is a pretty decent version of Spy Hunter. It's not nearly as good as the NES version that I played so much of when I was a kid. Here's Gorf. I played this a lot on my Commodore VIC-20. Okay, here's Gyruss. This might be the best version of Gyruss that I've ever played. This version of Pac Man is light years ahead of the Atari 2600. How was this not a clear winner at the time? This is a pretty decent version of Galaxian. I liked this version of Tapper. It's very pretty. The only thing I have to compare it to, though, is the arcade version. Frenzy's very similar to a game that I used to play on the Atari called Berserk. Here's Joust. It plays and feels well, but not nearly as pretty as the arcade. I had Choplifter on my Sega Master System. I love this game. It's not as deep, though, as the Sega Master System. There's only really one level. There's 3 or 4 on the Sega. Oh boy, here's Jungle Hunt. I love this game. It's so fun. I used to play this a lot on the Atari 2600 with my friend. That's all. Thanks for watching.